and welcome back to my channel. Well, the sewing portion of my channel. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the Joann dilemma, or the Joann going out of business forever dilemma. If you haven't gone to the store, you should. Just for reminiscence sake, just for saying goodbye to the wonderful people that have served you over the years. You can bring them a dessert, bring them some goodies, show your appreciation. They will thank you very, very much. So, moving on, I'd like to share with you what I got on this portion of my crazy sale shopping at Joann's. So I got this beautiful floral linen with some thread, which was 40% off, by the way. Goodeman, Coates and Clark. If it's not wiped out already, go grab some thread. This was 20% off, so not a great deal, but it was worth it to go get what I wanted. The next is a linen blend, linen rayon blend. I got this beautiful lavender. Buttons were, I believe, 40% off, so 30 or 40% off, not sure, but they were pretty wiped out too. So if you don't go right now, you're not going to get anything. So buttons that match this beautiful linen. I went back a second time and I just wanted to pick up more of what I know I'm going to use for the summer. This is a beautiful white rayon linen, and I'm going to make a shirt and a skirt to match. So this is my summer wear. Beautiful lightweight cotton. It's going to be a nice little shirt. And all these colors are interchangeable, the white, the blue, and this little green rayon linen. Another shirt, just because. And then I'm going to make this chambray into a skirt to go with all the shirts that I'm making. So again, 20% off all their regularly priced items, but the more you go, the more you'll see things like, I have a picture where it says 60 to 70% off certain items. You really gotta dig through those items, and you really gotta love the fabric you're buying. Don't just stock up because it's on sale. Be picky. Otherwise you're gonna have a Joann store in your home, in your stash. This is one of the patterns I'm going to be using. It's from Pattern Emporium. Just a simple little blouse and a simple skirt. These are some of the fabrics I'm going to be using. And I think a pair of shorts. So that's my summer wardrobe in a nutshell. In addition to buying fabric and notions, I also picked up a few of other sale items. One of which was in the quilting section. It is a massive ruler, but it's replacing my old ruler, which is much smaller and hard to read. These, you can see the numbers going across are so much easier on the eye. So this will be great for cutting, using my little roller wheel. I can't even think what to call that thing, but you know what I'm talking about. And I went to the art section and I found a collection of, it was the book, pencils, and a pencil art collection. I think it was 10% off, but it was still a really good deal. So look around, go through every aisle, see what you might find. If you need yarn, the yarn is incredibly good price for sale. Yeah. Check everything, the paints, the flowers, everything else is a really good deal right now. So don't just get caught up in fabric, take a look at everything else. As we were walking out the store, we noticed a sign that mentioned how long they had been in business, and I took a moment to stand in front of it and get one last photo of me in the Joann store. So you'll see me happy and you'll see me sad. Please go say goodbye to Joann's and be nice to the people who are cutting your fabric. They deserve it. All right, bye for now.